I waited how many months? I'm like, where's my package? So I went online and I saw people put pictures of how it looked like on the reviews. I'm like, oh, there's some ugly ones. And some perfect looking ones and some funny looking ones. So hopefully I get the perfect looking one. And if I get a funny looking one, I'm fine with that. But if I get an ugly looking one, I'm returning them. Ouch! Man, I thought they would put it in a separate bag, but I could feel it already. Oh no. Ah! Boo, boo, boo. I got the perfect looking one. Yeah, this is how it looked like in the pictures.
Can you put up his little coat up?
Yeah. Oh, no, it's like sewn from 3.
What?
Ways. Maybe they fixed it. Because for some people it was low and it looked ugly. I always wanted to see how they made his body. Oh! Oh, he has an underwear under there.
That's a huge tag.
Oh, he's a skinny little guy.
Oh, he's supposed to be wearing underwear.
His body is skinny and look at his big ol' head.
I'd like to think he's super fat and fits tightly into his
clothes. I wonder why they made his claws orange.
I thought the head was gonna be like this big.
Every time I go to a Disney store, it smells like wood, but this just smells like fabric. I saw my brother's Crocs on the floor. I'm like, I know my brother's a size 11. Let's test it out. Rip off?
This is size 13 actually.
Hold up.
Then let me get my ruler.
That's right.
Muy bien.
They're counting his ears.
Are you sure? They should be counting this. And I'm glad that he feels high quality. And I'm glad that this fabric turned out to be what I was expecting it to be. I thought it was gonna be cheaper or something with those pictures that I saw.
I think if they added like some kind of stuffing to make him look chubby, I think it would look better. I think it would be better also if you had the option to cover his if you could cover his mouth. Because in the show, sometimes the neck piece covers
I give it 9 out of 10.
What took off 1 point?
If I hug him, he feels really small and like,
yeah.
Like I feel like he should feel like a fat gremlin or something. Like I was expecting his body shape to feel like Dot's candy in here.
Oh. What if he takes off his clothes in season 2?
They have to give him a bath.
Can you guys comment whenever you get a plushie and the tags are like obnoxiously long? Do you guys cut it off or do you guys keep it? Because I keep it if it's not that big, but this is huge. Like especially if this was like on his foot and he wasn't wearing a coat.
Yeah.
Like I'd cut it off, but I'd feel bad because it doesn't feel official anymore.
Oh,
How is the pink in the ears? Like it's just like painted?
It's like it was spray painted on. Alright, I'm gonna see if this plush is worth to sleep with. Cause when I get one, I wanna sleep with it! I'm so depressed!
Oh, nigga!
It feels too skinny. Feels like I'm hugging a skinny piece of blanket. Feels like I'm hugging nothing. Like I have to press down my arms really hard in order to feel something.
Gonna return it?
No, I'll probably...
Just return it.
But I like Baby Yoda. that I've been waiting so long.
Okay, that's enough.
Subscribe, like, and comment. Tell me if you got an ugly looking one, or if you got a funny looking one.